Seedance 2 was just launched and it's probably the best AI video generator yet. It specifically shines at following instructions and creating multi-scene, realistic-looking videos that work really well for product commercials. Because of this, I want to put this to a test and not only show you exactly how you can get access to Seedance 2, but also on how you can generate viral videos in general, and then how you can super simply generate product-style commercials for your brand or whatever product you want to promote, or just to post your own food videos that go viral on Instagram or on TikTok.
I'm the iced coffee you can't quit. I'm the reason you wake up in the morning. I'm the reason you stay up at night. I'm the reason you're alive. I'm the iced coffee you can't quit.
I know your time is valuable, so let's get right to it. To get started, click on the link in the description and it brings you to Artlist. As you can see here, Seedance 2 is now on Artlist, and to start using it, simply click on the AI Toolkit button right here. Now in the Artlist model selector, you can select Seedance right here, and you can also choose between all of the other top tier AI video models such as Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, Grok Imagine, and all of the other top AI video models. But since Seedance just launched, let's just try this out with a couple of prompts. And before we go into the product images, let me show you a few really realistic videos that it can generate. To do this, I already put together a Seedance 2.0 reference guide that you can download for free. Just check out the link down in the description. And let's first start with a few cinematic prompts. Let's try 3 completely different shots. I'll just copy this prompt right here, paste it in the description, and Seedance 2 is already selected. And all we need to change is the duration, which for this video is 15 seconds. And then click on generate. Let's try the same thing with a few different shots. And this time we'll actually select an aspect ratio for social media. And let's also try this one here. Let's also select TikTok and Instagram format and hit generate. And before we go into the different brand selection shots that I'll show you for a specific brand to make them super hyper personalized, let me show you just a generic product shot that it can generate as well. For that, I also have some more detailed prompts in my AI video guide. And here I have some examples for some more simple prompts as well as really realistic prompts right here. Let's try the simple prompt first. And then let's compare it to a more detailed prompt that has multiple scenes in it, as you can see right here. And hit generate.
A few moments later.
Now let's review the videos it generated. Here's the first shot of the skateboarder. That looks super realistic. Let's check out another one, the one of the football scene. Seedance 2 is really good at doing these zoom in and zoom out shots, but we'll get more to that later. Here's the ASMR style video. And that turned out really well as well. Definitely better than some of the other tools I tried recently. And if you want to see a full comparison of this versus other AI video generators, let me know down in the comments and I'll make a whole video on that, which tells you which one is the best for which use case. Let's check out the product shot with a simple prompt. Remember, this was all the prompt that we gave it. And this is good, but since the prompt is so vague, the detail here is not what I want it to be. The text is not readable and it doesn't pertain to any specific brand. So this is what we fixed in the more detailed prompt here. And let's see if this is better. And I just got to say, that is a whole product commercial. This is something you could post on social media today without having to make any edits. And that is insane. Now let's actually create some epic product shots that a brand could actually use for advertising or for social media. To do that, I'm actually going to use my family's Il Gelato store as a brand example that I will create some product shots for. To do that, you can use whatever product images you have. I already generated some with my own custom brand tool that allows you to bulk create a bunch of these kind of product shots that are custom to your brand. But if you want to see how you can do that with Artlist too, I'm leaving a video up here and let me know down in the description and I can do a complete tutorial on how to create product and brand photos with AI as well. For now, I'm just going to download the product shots that I generated and I'll navigate back to Artlist. I'm going to click on AI video and I can insert some prompts right here. Let me first show you what happens when you don't upload any reference images, and then I'll show you my custom prompt generator that generates awesome prompts specifically designed for Seedance 2 to make good videos out of them. Now let's use our example guide and we can copy this prompt right here, go back to Artlist, and we can paste it into the prompt. Ideally, you always upload some sort of reference images, but in this case, I just want to show you what happens if we don't do that. Click on 8 seconds, vertical format, and Seedance 2, and hit generate. Let's try a second one just like that and paste it in. And this time we'll actually upload a reference image. And we'll hit generate here as well. But if you want to take prompt generation to the next level, I usually use a custom GPT or some sort of AI agent to write the prompts for me. And this is the AI agent that I wrote for me. I'm leaving a link down in the description below, but you can use whatever system that works for you in order to generate the prompts for you. And now I'm gonna go back to some of the branded images, like this one, and I can drag them all into my AI Ad Genius generator. But before I ask it to generate the prompts, I'll first ask it to analyze my brand. And I'll update some reference images right here. It's now giving me the exact brand analysis, and I can simply give it a simple follow-up request, something like this. And it gave me a few options like a taste of paradise, and it tells me the core idea of the concept, and it does it for 5 different options right here. And I can tell it to give me the exact prompt that I can put into my Seedance 2 Artlist generator. And I can copy it right here. And I'll paste it in right here. I'll select the proper reference prompts and upload them right here. Now I can hit generate and it will create the video for me. Now, this is all pretty complex, but you can also just pertain it to one video and have that be your core driver for the entire scene. In order to do that, for example, if we have this shot, we can just select this image and we can give it this reference image as well as a prompt, and it will generate the Seedance 2 prompt for us to use in our shot. In this case, we will just select the first shot that we referenced, and this time we'll select 10 seconds and we'll hit generate. We can try another product shot, for example, this product shot. And we can say, create a video of a customer picking up this cup and taking a spoonful of it and eating it and then smiling. We can take the prompt, go back to Artlist, select the reference photo and hit generate. And I've created a few more shots with the exact same method that we're going to check out right now. Here's the first shot. That's a great all-around shot. The only thing missing is my logo, but if I had included that as a reference, that would have shown up as well. Let's check out the other ones. Here's almost like a drone shot. And I think this would do really well on Instagram. If we are super critical, his hand is kind of reaching through the glass, but I don't think most people would notice that, but it's a bit weird. Let's check out this one. This is a cool shot. It's kind of coming into focus. There we go. Great shot. ASMR style video. I love the attention to detail of the little water drops here, the zoom in effect, all of the frozen water droplets on the top. Looking really good. Here's a shot of the reference cone that we had here. And that's a really good commercial shot of just showcasing different products, just with background music, some sort of editing that combines them all together, and it looks really realistic. And let's check out this video as well. The cone is dripping here a bit, but besides that, this looks really good. But I could see that the cone dripping, people would probably comment on that on Instagram, which actually leads to more engagement. Would you be able to tell that this is AI generated, or does that look real enough? But let's actually review some of the videos and see how they perform, if they're good or if they're not post-worthy because they look too much like AI and are not post-worthy. Now here's our first shot. Which has a cool zoom in effect and it actually looks pretty realistic. But let's now check out the other ones. Here is the ASMR footage. And that looks really realistic, and even the sound is very ASMR. And now let's check out this shot where we wanted to have as many logos of our own brand injected as possible. You can see the tote bag, our cup. Here we have to talk about how this turns into a different kind of gelato color, which is very unnatural, but it performed well on the logo and the hand, but this shot looks very unnatural, unfortunately. But overall, you could still post this and see how it performs on Instagram. Here's another shot that we generated. And it does a good job of keeping track of what the gelato looks like. And it keeps the logo front and center. And here's now a product shot where the customer picks up the gelato, takes a scoop, and eats it. Overall, these shots are really great already on its own, and you could post them as an Instagram reel already. But in order to get the next level of quality, you probably want to chain these together. And I've made another video on creating epic product commercials, for example, for Nike, and I'm linking it right here, and you can check it out down in the description below, in case you want to see what happens when you stack multiple AI-generated videos together in order to create one epic commercial that is 30 or 60 seconds long. But we have one more video to check out, and while this is currently still generating, let me share a little bit more about Seedance. Now, in order to use Seedance really well, you want to do a few things. For example, if you reference product images, it's probably best to reference them with the @image1 or whatever the image is, in order to give it specific instructions of what you want it to do with that image. In general, you want to give it this kind of prompt formula where you describe the subject, the action, the camera movement, the style, and then whatever constraints you have. If you want to see an example of how to reference different images, you can use this. And in order to generate multi-shot generations, you want to usually label them scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and then have the same sort of framework of sharing the shot size, the subject and the action of the subject, as well as the camera movement and whatever transition cut happens next. You can also give it a timeline format like this, where you give it an exact description of how long you want each scene to be. Or you can just be broad and give it a narrative format. Either way, I've included some camera movements that you can use that work really well, as well as some lighting descriptions and style anchors. But let's now check out the last video that it generated for us. And this is so cool. This is something that would have taken me at least an hour to record and get all of these different ingredients together. But now you can generate this within just 1 or 2 minutes with a simple prompt and with Seedance 2. And even for simple product photography shots like this one, you can just download this, upload it to Artlist, and say something as simple as create a dramatic time warp product commercial for this iced coffee. One big drawback that I still need to mention is that you're not able to upload any reference images of any humans right now. Seedance 2 really restricted their reference policies, and there were some people generating full action scenes of known actors, which made Seedance restrict their usage to non-human input reference images. Because of that, you can't upload any reference images of any of your models or of characters in your scenes, but you can get around that by just having a static reference shot of a product and then asking Seedance 2 to say that someone picks that up or enters the scene without you having to provide that reference image. Regardless, I think they will lift this restriction down the road, but for now you definitely need to be aware of that because you cannot upload any of your own images with people in it. Now let's see what kind of video commercial it created for us.
I'm the iced coffee you can't quit. I'm the reason you wake up in the morning. I'm the reason you stay up at night. I'm the reason you're alive. I'm the iced coffee you can't quit.
All right, that's actually a really good shot. I didn't even need to do any fancy prompt engineering, and it was able to do this all on its own. Let's watch it one more time.
The iced coffee you can't quit. I'm the reason you wake up in the morning. I'm the reason you stay up at night. I'm the reason you're alive. I'm the iced coffee you can't quit.
I could make this video 2 hours long just playing around with it. Let me know down below if you want to see a more in-depth guide, but I'm currently working on another video on how to use this tool in order to make passive income or go viral on social media. And if you want to see that, subscribe down below. Check out all the tools mentioned already and try it out on Artlist with the link down below. Check out this video if you want to get better at creating AI images for product commercials. And if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next video.